In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking feedback form using Google Forms step by step. To begin, head over to forms.google.com or open it from the Google Apps waffle icon. Click on the blank form to start from scratch. Give your form a title, something like Customer Feedback or Event Feedback. Then add a short description to let users know the purpose of the form. Now, let's add some questions. For general feedback, start with a question like, on a scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied were you with the service? You can also use linear scale options to rate satisfaction. For example, on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate our services overall? You can also add a checkbox question like, how would you rate our IT services? You can include multiple choice questions like, where did you hear about us? Or opinion-based questions such as, what can we improve? And choose short or long answer options depending on the question type. To make the form more organized, you can also customize it by clicking the palette icon at the top to change the color, add a header image, or modify the text style. Once your form looks good, click the eye icon to preview it. The viewer will now be able to fill out the form easily. And that's it. Your feedback form is ready to go. Now you can share it with others and start collecting responses. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.